everyone, in this video we'll be looking at how car dealerships can use Odoo to manage their CRM and lead management operations. Odoo is a powerful CRM system that can help you streamline your sales process, track leads, and improve customer satisfaction. So let's get started. The first step is to set up the CRM module in Odoo. This is where you'll manage all your customer interactions, including tracking leads, managing customer profiles, and tracking sale activities. You can create leads for potential customers who have expressed interest in buying a car. The first step is to set up CRM module, and this is where you'll be managing all your customer interactions, including tracking leads, managing customer profiles, and tracking sale activities. You can create leads for potential customers who have expressed interest in buying a car here. So let's say that in this case, we have a potential client who is interested in purchasing a car. We spoke on the phone with them, and they said that they are interested. So here, let's add the expected revenue, and there we go. We have this lead. You can use the sales pipeline management feature in Odoo to track the progress of each lead through the sales process. You can create custom stages such as initial contact, test drive, and sales negotiation to track the progress of each lead. You can also assign each lead a probability score to indicate the likelihood of closing this sale. So, for example, here we can set up test drive. So, for example, here we can set up a test drive. And let's say this potential client will be going on a test drive. In the lead, you can assign the probability. So let's say this client is very, very interested. Therefore, we are going to assign a 90% probability. Once the lead becomes a customer, you can use Odoo to manage your relationship with them. You can create a customer profile in Odoo that includes all their contract information, purchase history, and service history. You can use this information to personalize your interactions with the customer and provide them with a better experience. Let's give them an address. And going to say potential, we'll create a lead for a potential future customer, because let's say that we heard that they are interested in purchasing a second car for somebody else. Let's say that they gave us a specific detail about purchasing a car for their son or daughter who is just getting their driver's license. So whenever we get a car in that we know that these people could be interested in, then we can just filter in the tags and we can find this client again and remind them of this potential sale that could happen. Finally, you can use Odoo to analyze your sales data and identify the areas of improvement. You can generate reports to show the numbers of leads generated and the conversion rate and the revenue generated from sales. This data can help you optimize your sales process and improve customer satisfaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Odoo to manage your car dealership's CRM and lead management operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Odoo tutorials for more tips and tricks. Bye!